क्या था एग्जामिनेशन का एक्सपीरियंस इनटू द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल एंड एट द सेम टाइम यू आल्सो गोइंग टू टेल मी लाइक कि कितने महीने पहले आपने जो है वो पढ़ाई शुरू कर दिया था.
At least I can manage 1 or 2 hours for my revision thing.
What were your strategies related to it, like managing both the examination?
दोनों एग्जाम के सिलेबस तो सेम ही है, so why not to study in depth?
बच्चे जो है वो लूप मेंटेन करना भूल जाते हैं, लाइक कि शुरू तो हमने किया बट खत्म करते करते बच्चे भूल जाते हैं कि वो शुरू कहाँ से किए. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आर डूइंग, कि अभी कर क्या रहे हैं, कि अभी थोड़ा रेस्ट कर रहे हैं या फिर कंटिन्यूइंग योर स्टडी.
After my examination, I would say that I slept all day.
Okay. What you want to become through this subject?
I want to become a professor.
हेलो एवरीवन. सो आप लोगों का CUET PG एग्जामिनेशन ख़त्म हो चुका है और बहुत बच्चों की एक्सपीरियंस अच्छी रही है, बट कुछ ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिनकी एक्सपीरियंस उतनी अच्छी नहीं रही है रिलेटेड टू एग्जामिनेशन, क्योंकि मे बी उन्हें कुछ ऐसा पोर्शन लगा जो कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट था, कुछ ऐसा मे बी उनका एक्सपीरियंस रहा रिलेटेड टू द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल दैट वाज नॉट सो गुड. बट ये सारी चीज़ें जो है वो आज हम लोग जानेंगे, इन डिटेल जानेंगे, नॉट बाय मी क्योंकि मैंने तो एग्जामिनेशन नहीं दिया, बट बाय अ कैंडिडेट जो कि जिन्होंने एग्जामिनेशन में सिर्फ बैठा ही नहीं बल्कि वो हमारे टॉप 3 स्टूडेंट्स में रही है. इनफैक्ट अगर रैंकिंग देखा जाए तो हमेशा टॉप 1, टॉप 2 और लीस्ट अगर कैटेगरी देखा जाए तो टॉप 3 मतलब थर्ड के पोजीशन पे रही है. और ये मैं ही नहीं बल्कि बहुत सारे और भी रेगुलर बच्चे ये जानना चाहते थे कि व्हाट आर द स्ट्रैटेजीज दैट शी इज फॉलोइंग, या फिर क्या ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो कि उन्होंने पढ़ा, क्या उनकी वीकनेस रही जो कि उन्होंने डील किया वो सारी वीकनेस से, वो सारे आज हम लोग जानेंगे. सो हियर विथ मी इज वन ऑफ द टॉपर ऑफ आवर क्लास, ऑफ आवर PW CUET PG wala class is Kritika. Hi Kritika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So how are you feeling right now after examination?
I am a bit confident and at the same time I'm also a bit anxious because like everyone is saying that paper was easy, so I am a bit anxious about the cutoff thing.
Cut off, yeah, that's what it is कि easy तो था पेपर, लेकिन पता है कि पेपर easy जाएगा तो कट ऑफ जो है वो बहुत ही हाई जाने वाला है. So tell me first, सबसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्या था एग्जामिनेशन का एक्सपीरियंस इनटू द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल?
It was quite good because the thing is when you have studied thoroughly and then questions are like they are not asking very difficult questions, so this is something which builds your confidence. Yeah, and I tried to like attempt first those questions which were like known to me, so that is something which again built my confidence and that's how I proceeded throughout my exam.
So in what division you are going to say that कि इतना परसेंट ऑफ क्वेश्चन जो था आपके लिए नोन रहा और कुछ परसेंट जो है वो क्वेश्चन were there any question जो कि alienated फील हुआ?
Like 5 to 10% questions maybe.
Okay, like
Yeah.
if you remember a unit or if you remember like the section of those questions?
I think those questions were from classical Indian texts, like they have
Okay.
asked poets like Kabir and Nirgun poetry.
Yeah.
And one question I felt like it was more of a sociology and history thing, where they asked about Dayanand Saraswati and things related to him, asking which among the following is not true. So that was
Okay.
something I felt was alienated from our syllabus.
ओके.
Yeah.
हाँ, लेकिन ये भी था कि उन्होंने इस बार यूनिट में क्लियर कर दिया था लाइक कि अगर हिस्ट्री का देखा जाए तो दे क्लियरली सेड लाइक वी आर गोइंग टू आस्क यू अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश राइटिंग. और जब भी हम लोग हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश राइटिंग या इंडियन राइटिंग की बात करते हैं ना, तो हमें दिमाग में बैठ जाता है कि इंडियन राइटिंग इन इंग्लिश हमारा जो है वो जनरल जाएगा, बट समहाउ वी फॉरगेट कि चलो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हिस्ट्री रहेगा तो वो इंडियन एस्थेटिक से रिलेटेड होगा, या फिर एक दो राइटर जो जाने पहचाने लाइक प्रेमचंद हो गए या फिर आपके और भी राइटर्स हो गए, बट वी समहाउ फॉरगेट द टाइप्स ऑफ पोएट्री वी हैव इन इंडियन राइटिंग. खैर वो आप ये भी मुझे बता दें लाइक कि आई हैव ऑलरेडी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड यू एज अ टॉपर, लाइक हमेशा टॉप 3 में जब भी पोल्स देखो तो पोल्स में आपका टॉप 3 टॉप 5 पे हमेशा नाम रहता है. तो आप मुझे बताओ लाइक कि क्या ऐसा स्ट्रैटेजी था, एंड इट इज नॉट जस्ट मी हु वांट टू नो, बट कमेंट सेक्शन में भी अगर देखा जाए जितने भी मैराथन में थे 1-2 क्वेश्चन हमेशा रहता, कृतिका टेल मी योर स्ट्रैटेजी, लाइक व्हाई यू ऑलवेज इन टॉप 3?
Ma'am, I think that I have practiced quite more questions maybe.
Okay.
And the thing is that जब मैं practice करती हूँ तो I focus on the keywords.
Okay.
So that is something which helps me a lot in like solving questions. Sometimes I don't even need to read throughout the question. I only see and check that if there is asking what they are actually asking is there any no in the question,
Hmm.
and then accordingly I just see the options and I see the answer.
Okay, so that is your strategy related to questions. But ये ठीक है, questions related to strategy हुआ. लेकिन आप मुझे ये बताइए like कि how many hours you studied, and at the same time you also going to tell me like कि कितने महीने पहले आपने जो है वो पढ़ाई शुरू कर दिया था.
I wouldn't say this thing that I was very conscious from day one of my graduation, but gradually I was like conscious that I have to appear for CUET. Last year, I think in January only, it was very clear to me that okay, now time is like preceding fast and I have to start my preparation. So before even starting my preparation, I developed that I should have an interest for my subject. Like I remember in semester 4, I would say there were only one poem of Wordsworth. But what I did is, अच्छा ये तो वर्ड्सवर्थ है, इनका लूसी पोएम्स बहुत फेमस है, इनका माइकल पोएम्स बहुत फेमस है, टिंटन आवे अच्छा ये तो मेरे सिलेबस में है नहीं, लेकिन ये तो सबसे फेमस पोएम
Famous
है,
है, हाँ.
so how am I going to miss it?
Yes.
So even if I were not able to go through the text, but it was to me that मुझे इसका summary पता होना चाहिए. And later when I started my preparation, so I felt like अच्छा this is something which I did good, that I was going
कि
throughout
बाकी
my syllabus.
alienated नहीं लग रहा
Yeah.
था.
And later also when I was reading T.S. Eliot, I saw that Wasteland is not in my syllabus, लेकिन Wasteland तो Eliot का सबसे famous poem है. So how am I going to miss it? तो मैंने उसका भी summary देख लिया. So these are like things which are very helpful to me. And the number of study hours, I would say that I have a regular college, so it's not much possible for me to give like 6 to 8 hours completely to this preparation. But I tried that apart from the classes, I tried that at least I can manage 1 or 2 hours for my revision thing. These are all things which I did.
Okay, so coming to the time, तो आपने क्या मतलब semester 4 से like you said like you started becoming very conscious related to this examination or in literature in general.
Yeah.
तो क्या ये बोल सकते हैं कि एक साल पहले अगर तैयारी करना शुरू कर दिया जाए रेगुलर बेसिस पे तो ये एग्जामिनेशन पॉसिबल है कि टॉप रैंक आ सकता है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, ग्रेट. मुझे आप ये भी बताना लाइक कि अधिकतर बच्चे जो है ना वो मास्टर्स में चाहते हैं कि मैं डिस्टेंट कॉलेज से मैं कर लूँ, कोई मैं डिस्टेंट जैसे इग्नू जैसे हो गए मैं वहाँ से कर लूँ, क्योंकि बच्चे जो है वो ज़्यादा यूनिवर्सिटी में टाइम देना नहीं चाहते. लाइक यू सेड कि रेगुलर स्टूडेंट होने की वजह से इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू गिव लाइक 5 or 6 आवर्स डेली बेसिस, तो 1-2 घंटा ही आप दे पाते हो कॉलेज के साथ. तो वाई यू डिसाइडेड टू गो विद CUET PG एग्जामिनेशन? क्योंकि आपको तो पता है कि सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में ऑल क्लासेस आर गोइंग टू बी रेगुलर एंड इट इज़ फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टिल योर noon or evening you are going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
attend the lectures. तो फिर why you decided to go with CUET PG?
Ma'am, I want this. Firstly, I think that this is my personal opinion that we live in a society where we have if we want to prove that we are intellectuals, then we have to show that we have this degree and we have that degree.
Yes.
And especially when it comes to institute, then certain colleges, certain places, those are more valuable. So I felt like I should pursue my masters from Central University.
I see.
So that is going to like uplift my everything and make my way more easier, more better.
It is going to open a lot of gates
Yeah,
for you.
it will give me more opportunities. That's why I
Yes.
decided to pursue CUET
CUET
PG.
PG. Okay,
Yeah.
great. And you recently qualified GATE also.
Yes.
Like I should not mention, but I am going to mention it that you recently qualified GATE, and that too in your first attempt. First of all, very congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And I hope that the CUET PG examination result will also work in your favor. So you tell me like you also prepared for GATE examination apart from CUET, और आपका जो focus था वो same lane में ही था, same line में ही था. It's just that कि GATE का थोड़ा question pattern difficult है और different भी है, but CUET का उतना question pattern अगर देखा जाए तो उतना नहीं difficult है as compared to GATE. So what were your strategies related to it, like managing both the examination?
Ma'am, I felt like दोनों एग्जाम के सिलेबस तो सेम ही है, so why not to study in depth?
Yes.
So because nothing is going to waste, everything which you study is somehow going to work for you.
Yeah.
So that was my strategy to go in depth of the syllabus.
Yes.
And one thing which I did is I never used to check this thing, अच्छा ये वीडियो तो CUET का ही है, ये कंटेंट ये टीचर सिर्फ
हम्म
CUET के लिए पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो मैं सिर्फ यही देखूंगी.
yeah
I even used to watch videos of TGT PGT because syllabus was of course
oh
same.
yes
I even watched the videos of teachers who taught for NET exam because again
yeah
topic is same.
yeah
So that is something which builds my confidence, and
yes
I somehow aced my GATE examination in this way.
yeah, that's really good. You are also, if you are comfortable with it, can you tell me like कि एक तो बच्चा जो है वो पढ़ना, information gain करना is in one hand, but accuracy and speed gain करना is in another hand. Because whenever I used to run poll in classes, then I used to see that कि चलो, poll is not just capturing your correct answer, but it is also capturing your speed as well. तो आपका मैं देखती थी कि whenever you are in top 3, top 5, it means that it's not just related to you being like correcting or choosing the correct answer, but it is also related to the timing.
Yes,
So how
ma'am.
you managed with the time and accuracy of it?
Ma'am, earlier I was also anxious about this thing. I used to see the polls in initial classes. I was not the one. Some other were like they were scoring higher than me. So I was just like going to. I was just trying to maintain कि मैं भी first आ जाऊँ, मैं भी first आ जाऊँ. Let's build this thing. गलत होगा तो देखा जाएगा. But
Yeah.
at least try to attempt first.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
in this way, I used to like attempt questions. And as I said कि मैंने keywords पे ज़्यादा focus किया है, तो वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा helpful रहा है मेरे लिए, और इससे मेरा time भी बहुत बचा है और accuracy भी ज़्यादा आया है.
Okay, as far as I know that कि you are also a very good reader, so can I expect like कि बच्चे जो है, अगर वो जो बच्चे novel पढ़ते हैं या फिर जो बच्चे जो by text चीज़ों को follow करते हैं, so is it easy for them to go with the passages? क्योंकि अगर देखा जाए बहुत सारे बच्चे जो है वो passage में अटक जाते हैं. This time passage was really easy according to the students that I have talked to, but इस बारी passage तो चलो easy था, but related to the passage कि 1 से 2 passage तो आपके रहते ही रहते हैं. बच्चे जो है वो लूप मेंटेन करना भूल जाते हैं, लाइक कि शुरू तो हमने किया बट खत्म करते करते बच्चे भूल जाते हैं कि वो शुरू कहाँ से किए थे. सो इज इट लाइक समवेयर इट हेल्प्ड यू इन द पैसेज रीडिंग?
Yes, it did help me a lot because in college also I never focused like अच्छा YouTube पे some teacher is teaching this thing, then मैं उनका video देख के चली जाऊंगी. I first used to like read the text and then I go through the videos and then again I went through the text. So
Okay.
that is something again which like helped me to uh, improve my analyzing thing and made me a ferocious reader, I would say. And regarding to the passage, I tried to first read the questions and what they are actually asking. I tried to understand that thing only. And मैं जब एग्जाम में बैठी हुई थी तो मुझे ये नहीं करना था कि अच्छा इन्होंने ये पैसेज दिया है तो इनका क्या कहानी है, मैं वो जरा देख लूँ. मुझे ये था कि मुझे इसमें से बस आंसर निकालना है, आंसर ढूंढना है. सो दैट वाज माय व्यू पॉइंट एंड इन दिस वे ओनली आई अटेम्प्टेड द पैसेज.
ओके ओके, आई सी. एंड ऑल्सो लाइक कि अभी पता है कि इंग्लिश का चाहे CUET का सिलेबस हो, CUET PG का सिलेबस हो, या फिर गेट का सिलेबस हो, या फिर इन जनरल कोई भी लिटरेरी एग्जामिनेशन के क्यों ना सिलेबस हो, पता है कि सिलेबस जो है वो 1 से 2 पेजेस में होते हैं, लेकिन सिलेबस के नाम पे द लिटरेचर इज वेरी वास्ट, राइट?
Yes, it is.
सो हाउ यू मैनेज दिस वास्ट लिटरेचर एंड व्हाट वर द यूनिट्स दैट यू स्ट्रगल्ड विथ?
I would say that I struggled a bit with the, रट्टा मारने वाला चीज in
Okay.
literary
Like
theory.
year and
Yeah.
theory, अच्छा, okay.
Theory and sometimes even in titles of few works because many writers they write work with similar titles.
Yes.
So that was a thing which was like confusing for me and difficult at the same time. But again, I try to read them thoroughly because if I'm not remembering anything, I tried कि मैं अभी पढ़ लेती हूँ, अच्छा ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है तो अभी के लिए इसको स्किप कर देती हूँ, और जो मोर ईजियर है मैं उसको अभी याद कर लेती हूँ. इससे ये होता है कि एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड डेवलप होते जाता है.
Yes, yes.
एंड इन दिस वे आई ट्राइड कि चलो अब ये याद कर लिया तो ये भी याद हो जाएगा. सो लेटर आई अटेम्प्टेड दोज राइटर्स, आई ट्राइड टू लर्न देम. एंड other thing which was like difficult for me is to read through the chronology thing.
Yeah.
Sometimes there are several movements, like in 1950s, in postmodern era, there
It
are
was
a lot
yeah,
of
full of movements.
full of movement and full of theory,
Yes.
and they are like overlapping each other.
Yes.
So I tried to make some riddles out of them and learn them. For one example I can give is, in 1950s only we have our angry young man movement, Kitchen
Yes.
Singh drama,
Kitchen,
and
yeah.
Theatre of Absurd. So these three was like very confusing to me. So what I did is ki acha, angry young man, and why he is angry? Because he went to the kitchen and the sink was dirty.
Yeah.
But it's very absurd to get angry over a dirty sink. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
how I like.
You managed
Yeah.
it. You managed it. Okay, great. अच्छा चलो, एक थ्योरी के जो पार्ट जो है वो डिफिकल्ट होती है, जो कि सभी बच्चों को थ्योरी और क्रिटिसिज्म में जो है वो बच्चे फंस जाते हैं और थोड़ा बहुत वर्ल्ड लिटरेचर में भी फंस जाते हैं. बट ब्रिटिश लिटरेचर एक ऐसी चीज़ है ना जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा वास्ट है, बिकॉज इट इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू एजेस. बट एट द सेम टाइम बच्चे जो है वो ब्रिटिश लिटरेचर को उतना हार्ड नहीं समझते एज कम्पेयर टू दैट ऑफ थ्योरी. इट हैपेंड सेम विथ यू?
Yeah, it happened because in college syllabus we have mostly of the British portion only.
Yes.
So I think that's why we become a bit careless about British literature.
Yes. और मे बी यू आर वेरी यूज टू ब्रिटिश
Yeah.
लिटरेचर कि भाई ब्रिटिश लिटरेचर का हर एज जो है वो सिलेबस में रहता ही है आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी में, कोई भी यूनिवर्सिटी, स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी, वेदर इट इज और इट इज सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी, ब्रिटिश लिटरेचर के हर एक एजेस से हर एक 2-3 राइटर आपके रहते ही रहते हैं. सो बच्चे जो है वो काफी यूज टू हो जाते हैं. नाउ द क्वेश्चन दैट आई एम गोइंग टू लाइक, आई इनफैक्ट आई माई सेल्फ इज वेटिंग फॉर इट. Can you tell me how this channel actually helped you grow or helped you build your confidence, if it is so?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I never missed any of your class.
Okay.
And जब आप क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाते थे, मतलब MCQ whenever you used to give, so this was another thing that I need to be first in the class. And secondly the thing was कि जो भी आप एनालिसिस करवाते थे, जैसे अगर ऑप्शन ए सही है तो व्हाट अबाउट द रेस्ट 3 ऑप्शंस.
Yes.
So that was your analysis thing, and people in the comment section, they were also very active, and they
Yeah.
also used to give informations related to
Yes.
other options. So I tried to focus more on those content rather
Yeah.
than just focusing on the answer thing.
Yes, yes.
So in this way my preparation become a bit easier, because I was gaining, at the very single time I was gaining information from a lot of spheres.
Yes.
So I used to like note it down, and before the next class I just used to sit 5 or 10 minutes before your class, and I just went through all those points whichever I mentioned in my notebook.
Yeah, yeah. Like I always say that कि क्या ऑप्शन सही है, ऑफ कोर्स दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, बट व्हाई द रेस्ट ऑफ द 3 ऑप्शंस, व्हाई दीज ऑप्शंस आर नॉट करेक्ट. और क्योंकि ये हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कि ये जो है ना बाकी का 3 ऑप्शन क्यों सही नहीं है, इस पे ध्यान देना अगर हम लोग भूल जाते हैं ना, तो कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग एलिमिनेशन मेथड भी इस्तेमाल करना भूल जाते हैं. सो इन योर एग्जामिनेशन दिस एलिमिनेशन मेथड इट हेल्प्ड यू कि बाकी के 3 गलत है, क्यों गलत है, चलो एक तो मुझे पता नहीं है कि आंसर क्या है क्या नहीं है, बट बाकी के ऑप्शंस को तो मुझे एनालाइज करके ऐसा एलिमिनेशन मेथड कुछ ऐसा हेल्प किया?
Yes, it helped me a lot. One example which I can give is of the Nobel Prize chronology.
Yeah.
There were writers like Volsoinka and Coetzee,
Yeah.
Doris Lessing, and this
Peter
William
White.
Golding.
Okay.
So I somehow remembered this thing ki, okay, William Golding is from modern era,
Yeah.
so he must be winning prize earlier. So
Yes.
that's how I tried to maintain the chronology thing, and this is here which the elimination method helped me a lot.
Yes.
I was just checking कि अच्छा राइटर का फर्स्ट किस में आ रहा है, लास्ट किस में आ रहा है, और इस तरीके से मैंने ऑप्शंस में एलिमिनेशन लगाया, and I somehow got the accurate answer.
Yeah, and how you cope up with the situation in examination hall, like in examination hall also, and 1 or 2 days before the examination, because the 1 or 2 days before examination is very crucial, because you feel very anxiety, you feel very nervous, at the same time you feel like कि कुछ रह नहीं गया, बहुत सारी information हम लोगों ने इतने दिनों में, इतने महीनों में gain किया. So how you dealt with that kind of anxiety and nervousness, and at the same time the environment of examination?
Ma'am, the last 2 or 3 days I would say that I was not going through any text, no books. I was just going through the YouTube videos, like
Okay.
videos of yours and videos also uploaded on other channels where they were like doing the same thing, marathon and question answer thing. So I used to focus on those videos because होता ये है कि अगर मैं खुद से कुछ पढ़ रही हूँ तो वो तो मुझे याद हो सकता है, लेकिन इफ लाइक जैसे आप क्लास में एजेस याद करवाते हो, ईयर्स याद करवाते हो, तो वीडियो देखते वक्त ऐसा होता है कि अच्छा somebody is also repeating with me,
Me, yeah.
so I can also go
Go
through
with
this.
it, yeah.
So last days I was not focused on consuming content. I was
Yeah.
like, I have to trust myself. Whatever I read throughout the year, that is going to help me.
Yeah.
So I only the last 1 or 2 days I would say that आपका जो 3 मैराथन था मैंने बस वही देखा and I went to exam.
Okay, that's great. Like you said, like there were other like videos you have seen. How you feel like the content that I have given or the channel have given you, basically the channel CUT PG will have given you, actually helped you in your examination? Were there any question like directly given, or were there any questions nearby जो कि अब मैंने क्लास में लिया या और वो एग्जामिनेशन में आ गया? Anything like that happened?
Yeah, Indian portion, whatever you covered, I felt like the same questions, not questions I would say, but actually somehow question, because
Yeah, like
actually
from different angles.
yeah, the content was same, and one question which you taught in the class, I noticed that same question came in our exam.
Which one?
Yeah, it did come. One question I'm not remembering actually, but it was, you remember in the marathon thing where you were teaching the Indian aesthetic, you
Yes.
gave one question related to grammar book.
Okay, okay.
Which among the following is a book based on the grammar rules,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
options were like Natya Shastra and other things.
Yes.
I'm not
Even
remembering.
I don't remember because there were so many questions.
Yeah. But this question, maybe the options differed in the exam, but
Yeah.
question was same and answer also same. One question you asked in the award thing, that which woman is the first one to win Nobel Prize, that
Yeah.
same question came in our exam.
Yeah, because I always say कि first वाला category male हो women हो, ये वाला
Yeah.
कभी first category and last category, never to forget. Last में तो हमेशा रहता है आपका जो recent year रहता है वो last बन जाता है, but first category at any award like कि चाहे आपका award related हो, चाहे आपका in terms of like कि कोई भी writer का पहला work हो जाता है, that is very important, first and last work of all these writers. Okay.
And even when you were you took one class on literary genre,
Yeah.
where you also taught Gothic literature.
Yeah.
One question directly come from that which among the following figure is one of the figure related to Gothic.
Okay.
Answer was Mary Shelley.
Yeah.
I just ticked on it.
Yeah, and I remember like there was also one question of R.K. Narayan chronology, right? So last minute, I guess it was day before examination or a 2 day before examination, we uploaded this video of chronology, and there I was teaching R.K. Narayan chronology. I was happy, चलो कि कम से कम बच्चे को लगे नहीं कि ये सारी चीजें alienated है.
And even the literary movement thing, I think that the question was actually easy, but at the same time I felt that it was a bit conceptual, because if you are not going through ages in a systematic manner, and if you are not aware with the years in which the works were published, or the years where in which the writers were awarded, then how are you supposed to answer it without knowing it?
Exactly.
Yeah,
so one should definitely read things in chronology. I'm again telling it again and again. जो बच्चे, अब तो ये एग्जामिनेशन 25 वाली चली गई, बट जो भी बच्चे जो वो 26 के लिए प्रिपेयर करेंगे, so definitely this is one suggestion that कि once you are going to prepare for your examination, not to forget that कि chronology में ही सारी चीजें याद रखनी है, whether it is related to the ages, related to the writer or the works of the writer. Okay, so like एक तो रहता है बच्चों का कि चलो हाँ, first tell me how many questions you have attempted, like out of 75.
I attempted 62 because I focused more on accuracy.
Yes.
I took like risk in 3 or 4 questions, I would say. And again, I took the risk in this way that I felt like 80 to 90%. I am like confirmed that this is going to be the answer. So I take that question.
Okay.
Rest I left those questions in which I was not confident.
Sure,
Even if I were like 50-50, but I avoided to attempt that question.
Because there is 1/4 of negative marking, ना, जो कि affect भी कर सकता है.
Negative, and I see this thing that 1 या 2 नंबर से ही रिजल्ट बहुत आगे पीछे जाता है. So I tried to avoid these mistakes.
And how you're managing after this examination, like what exactly you're doing, कि अभी कर क्या रहे हैं, कि अभी थोड़ा रेस्ट कर रहे हैं, या फिर you're continuing your study or any other thing you're doing it?
the day after my examination, I would say that I slept all day.
Okay.
And later on, I moved again to books because I like reading.
Yeah.
So this was something which was like, I need to leave my fiction here and prepare for my exam.
Yes.
So I again went back to my books and I continued my reading.
Yes.
So again, and also one thing that when it was the preparation time, I skipped a bit of my college. Even during the GATE examination, my academics were, I left it for aside for like few moments.
Yes.
And now I am like trying to again get into my academics.
Yeah. Because
Yeah.
of course you have your last semester going on, so you need to focus on that as well, ना?
Yes.
कि अभी ऐसा नहीं है कि कॉलेज को पूरा साइडलाइन नहीं करे. Once you need to complete your graduation in a very well marks, and then you are going to have your like master college, the Central University College, because there also in counseling they prefer good marks. At least for as far as I remember is that कि at least in most of the colleges they want your 55 to 60% in your graduation at least.
Yes.
Then only you are going to even, it doesn't matter कि आपने entrance में क्या score किया है क्या नहीं score किया है, that is of course one of the deal, but ये भी है कि आपको अपनी graduation में भी अच्छा marks लाना पड़ेगा, so that कि counseling में इतने सारे बच्चे हैं तो उसमें भी तो छटेंगे ही छटेंगे.
Ma'am, and even this CU, I think that both CUET preparation and my college preparation, they held each other. Like
Yeah.
when I was going through my CUET preparation, मैं एक certain age पढ़ रही हूँ, मैं उसका features देख रही हूँ, उसके साथ साथ मैं उसके writers के बारे में भी पढ़ रही हूँ.
Yeah.
तो even in my college answers, I would like mention those writers कि इस writer का भी same theme था. And the same happened with my college syllabus also. The academic syllabus, they held me to in CUET preparation also, because as I said that when I was going through Wordsworth or Eliot, I felt like I should read their major works also.
Yes.
So I think that we can balance it well if we are like focused on our goal.
Okay. And one last message that you want to give to the other, your fellow students. Like, yeah, I know there are a lot of students who wanted to know your strategy, which you already said. But one last message that you want to give to your fellow student related to your experience in examination and related to your experience while you're preparing for this examination.
One very important message which I can give is like, have love for your subject, because what generally happens is कि हम लोग मास्टर्स में जो सब्जेक्ट चूज करने वाले होते हैं, सो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी द सब्जेक्ट जो कि हम लोग आगे भी काफ़ी लंबे समय तक वी आर लाइक गोइंग टू कैरी इट. So develop love for your subject, and everything is easy if you are confident. So stay like, have a positive attitude to your preparation and to your subject also. And one thing which I notice is कि कोई भी ऐसा एग्ज़ाम होता है, भले वो एंट्रेंस हो या फिर स्कूल या कॉलेज का हो, 70 to 80% क्वेश्चंस लाइक कि कोई भी अगर एवरेज बच्चा भी हो, सो ही और शी दे कैन अटेम्प्ट इट. उसके बाद 5 to 10% ऐसे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो कि थोड़ा इन डेप्थ अगर पढ़ता है तो वो लोग अटेम्प्ट कर पाते हैं. लेकिन उसके बाद का जो बचा कुचा जो क्वेश्चन होता है, आई फेल्ट कि वो सारे क्वेश्चन उन लोगों के लिए होते हैं, the people who have love for their subject and the people who have a interest in their subject. So that's how I'm like keeping my attitude towards the studies.
Okay, that's good. And one last message that you want to give to this channel?
Yeah, this channel is like a blessing for me.
Okay.
No buttering, but it's true that this helped a lot to me. Even during my GATE preparation, it was in Feb, I would say. So during GATE time also, I was going through your classes because again, as I said, कि syllabus तो same ही होता है. तो वो सारे concept that helped me not only in my CUET but also in my GATE exam. And lastly, I was like relied on PWO only.
Okay.
कि अब मैं किताब नहीं पढ़ सकती हूँ. I cannot go through text or other content reading them. I am going to watch only videos and classes, doing classes.
Yeah.
And that's how I would say that built my confidence.
Yes.
And every classes was like a blessing, as I said. क्योंकि जो क्वेश्चन आप करवाते हो, अगर हम लोग खुद से लेकर के बैठते हैं करने के लिए, कोई भी मैंने पीवाईक्यू उठा लिया और अगर मैं कर रही हूँ, तो वो एक बहुत ही लिमिटेड स्पेस में आई एम सॉल्विंग माई थिंग। लेकिन जब मैं क्लास कर रही हूँ, देयर आर लाइक many other students also participating, so that also like created a competitive atmosphere for me.
Yes.
It made me like ki acha, I need to study more because there are people who are studying more than me.
Yes.
So this channel helped me a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. And I hope that ki you do well in your examination, and we are really hoping for your, actually not I am or not this channel CUET PG wala or physics wala in general, but there are different students which, as far as I remember in the comment section, they are looking forward to your result. Okay.
Yeah.
So not to get too much, I don't want to make you nervous and anxious, but just that ki I hope that, and wishing you all the very best, all the very good luck for your future.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And whatever is your dream, what exactly is your dream, what you want to become through this subject?
I want to become a professor.
Okay, I see that. Like I'm right now feeling with a very heavy heart, I'm going to say, like she is like one of the best student one can ever have. So with this, we are actually ending this podcast for right now, and I hope that ki her experience helped you in some way, किसी ना किसी way में related to building your strategy and related to feel you कि भाई you are not just the only one going with it. There are other students who are also going with the same. There are other strategies जो कि और भी काम कर सकती है apart from your strategy, and I hope that कि all of you will do your well. Have a great day. Have a nice day. Enjoy literature. Bye bye.